Hi mga shots, good afternoon. So today pala pupunta kami sa bahay ng kapatid ko dahil maliligo ang mga bata. Mag voice over tayo for today dahil nga yung sinakyan naming Grab is napakalakas naman yung music niya. Alam naman natin na lagi tayong copyright. So kaya voice over lang muna tayo, and ito na nga yung aking anak and me as always. Wala na ng iba. Kami lang yung magkakampi sa buhay. Anyway, see you sa bahay ng kapatid ko. Andyan yung aking anak na makulit. Look at her. Cool kung pa more. You will take a bath. No, we will go swim.
Where?
Outside. We will go swim. You wanna go swim? Yeah, in few hours we will go swim. Do you want to go swim? Yana? Naligo yung dalawa ditong bata. What's that? Huh? Dirty? Where's the water, Timalia? Okay. Naligo ang dalawa. Ba't ang dilim ng screen ko? Wait nga lang.
You like it?
Not on her face.
Yeah.
Hmm. Limited yung tubig nila. What's that, anak? That's okay.
Tata, can you bring some toys? We're bored here.
Yo,
But,
which toys you want?
anything.
Where's your toy for the pool? Can you ask your mom?
Mom! Mom! Where's the toys for the pool?
Gaya-gaya. Smile, Yana. Nak, smile, nak. Smile. Yana. Smile. Ang muna sila. Dito lang ako. Magkakape ako kay medyo ano na. Wala nang araw. Itong blue, makulit ka din na blue. Diyan ba dyan yung blue ka? Oh, may kwintas ka blue? Ano ito? Maprenda ba to blue yung kwintas mo blue? Where's your kwintas blue? Fighting, okay? No fighting. Itong blue na to. Ang sarap mo, blue. Yeah, blue wants to cuddle. He wants to cuddle with me. Blue. Huwag ganun, blue. Okay. What happened? Hey. What happened? What did you do? No, we will fix that later. Yeah. What did you do, anak? Now it's broken, this one. Let's just say broken, so she will not play with it. Now it's broken now, see? We cannot fix this anymore, but we will fix it later. Okay, okay. Just leave it like that. No, we will buy new one. Okay? You can turn off the water now, Ate Malu. That's enough water, I think. You want more water? Wow, that's a lot. That's a lot of water. Your mom will gonna pay a lot of water bill. I think that's enough. That would be enough. You can just turn off.
Set, go!
One more.
Hey! Stop it!
What's wrong?
Baby, I'm gonna keep kicking me at the pool.
Okay, one more.
Let me make a circle. One, make a heart.
Oh, that's hard.
Yeah, that's hard. Make it again.
No. A little. A little hard. A little hard. Babay Ate Malia. Ate Malia is crying. She wants to come with us, but she's not allowed to come without daddy's permission. She's crying, anak. Poor Ate Malia. We're waiting for our Grab. Kasi uwi na kami, gabing-gabi na. Hindi naman gabi-gabi, mga alas 6:30 pa lang. Are you okay, anak? Did we forget something? Biyak, sumawa naman.